Hey, what are you doing today, Bob?
Oh, so today we're doing a cooking tour.
Yay! It's fun. It's gonna be a fun day.
Are you excited?
I want 20. I'm super excited. We're going into the market to buy our own food to cook.
You can smell that? And you tell me what kind?
The mint.
Yes. This one.
Yeah.
We have that one ASEAN basil. This one lemon basil. Lemon basil can you make for the salad? And ASEAN basil we make for the soup. We show you two kind of the what is this? Coriander. Yes.
Yeah.
This one Vietnamese coriander.
Oh.
And this one coriander.
Wow.
Yes. Vietnamese coriander. Use some.
Oh, I love this one.
What's your favorite?
Yeah.
We have this green onion.
Yeah, spring onion.
Okay, now we show you the carrot, onion. Just onion. And chili. Remember, in Korean we have big chili. You like spicy?
Yeah.
Okay, get for you smaller one and green one. Very nice. You come back. So the shrimp like this, very fresh. We just pick up today. Early in the morning today. So in Korean we go to the fish, fishing, and so you see the lotion here we making
Yeah. Yes. So we got everything that we need to cook today, and now we're going to. Now we're going to the boat.
So that was like really cool, like actually going in the market and seeing like how it works and stuff. And wow, it's so cheap.
Yeah.
Take care her. See you later.
See you.
Bye.
Yeah. We're on a boat, on a wooden boat.
Basket boat.
Basket boat. It's so beautiful here.
So cool.
They're doing karaoke over there. I think we filmed it.
Can we do it?
Yeah. What are you doing, baby?
I'm fishing.
Đậu quá mà.
Oh.
They're so beautiful.
Other one. So cute.
Ah, so cute.
Ring friends.
Yay.
Worst crab fishing ever.
We didn't catch anything.
I almost caught one at the start.
Good
they kept falling
job.
off.
So before you cooking, I will show you how to making the rice. And this one is the original rice. You see the yellow outside, inside white. So we need to crush it to take out the skin. And this one is the mortar. They're making this one more than 100 years.
Wow.
So the farmer often put this one into the mortar, and they use two big pestle. They crush this one. But when you crush this one, you don't do the same time. You do separate time. One by one. Easy for you to take out the skin. So now I need everyone try this because I would like to make everyone more hungry.
Yeah.
Later. The last one, so we are keep going half an hour. So you first.
She's so funny.
So now everyone, you see inside, look like the powder inside. So now we take out onto the basket like this. And we need to flip it to take out the skin. When you flip, before you flip, we need to shake first. Shake like this. The skin fly outside. You see?
Yeah.
One you took out only the skin.
Oh wow, yeah.
Fire. This one is the whole rice. For jasmine rice, you eat the steamed rice every day. So now everyone follow me right in the. I will show you how to make in the recipe. This one, everyone, this one is the rice. So we got from the mortar. Before you put in the grinder, we need to keep in the cold water about 20 minutes. You don't remember, you don't put in the hot water because when you put in the hot water, it cook already. Just cold water and the rice. So in the grinder, we have a one hole like this one to let the rice down. So the first everyone, you put everything inside like this one. And now you do for me from the right to the left. Like this. You see rice milk coming out. So when you do this one, you don't do too faster because too faster it fly to your clothes. I don't have a new t-shirt for you.
This is rice milk.
Yeah, rice milk.
So strong.
This one is the rice milk the lady making in the morning already. And this one I prepare to boil up the hot water. They cover with the cotton fabric. They make one hole to read the bamboo stick. Easy for you take out the rice paper. So the first everyone, the first 2 people one time, you sit down, you take a little bit the rice milk, not too much. You take out the lid and you put 1 time strong in the middle, like this one, and you spread 3 times small circle. You take out and you dip into the hot water first. Now the next one you put under the rice paper, like this one, and now you let out. And now we got in the rice paper.
Wow.
So the first you just lie down. You just lie down and spread it 3 times. Oh no. Yes.
Dat het daar houten van. Ja, nee, volgens mij is het tegen een gat in het midden.
You see, it cook
Dat
faster.
het zeg maar,
Other way.
dit is gewicht zodat die van die plek zit.
You just stand. Nice. You just lie down and you make the bamboo.
You've done this before.
Good job. Leslie, she do better than me.
Jab.
Yay.
Yeah, I love this. Enjoy your drink.
Very good.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Is this sugar?
Yeah, that's what I want this with sugar. Okay, the first we make for the short thinner short and the bowl and sugar. We put just a half tablespoon turning the pan. Make sure the oil go around the pan. You put the garlic in from it on the table, and then you put everything on the pan. And you keep the stirring. You keep the stirring like this about 2 minutes. Yes. Everything tight, not loose. If you make loose when you cut it, not nice. You make tie your hand, tie together.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Me too.
But you tie together, 2 hands tie together, and you rolling. You rolling just halfway. You stop it, and you with the streaming. That's it. 2 sides first. The last one we put the swing on it. On the last one. And you roll and you keep rolling. Okay, you see.
That's so beautiful.
We have the peanut sauce.
Yay.
And you enjoy your food. And you dip in the peanut sauce. Okay, good luck to you.
And let's look at yours.
I put my things the wrong way. My little prawny prawns. I wanted to be different to everyone else. Are you your favorite chef?
Oh my god.
Good?
It's really tasty.
Yummy.
Delicious.
The bun cake we call Vietnamese bun
so
xèo.
good.
1 teaspoon for turmeric, then pepper. Half teaspoon. A spring onion. Yes, we cut the smaller spring onion. The meat and shrimp. If you don't like meat, you take it out. We make the fish sauce first for the chili, garlic, and kombu. We put on the chili and put together here. Mixing the butter. Okay, you see, you frost it like this, and you're using the spoon. You put everything in the small bowl. Using 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. I had 1 quarter to this kombu. We had the kombu here, half the kombu mix together. This is the bun cake. We're using a lot of oil because we make sure the bun cake, the recipe. Yeah. Put this one. And you turn both sides. You make sure the pork
Cooked, yeah.
the table, back to your table, and then you put the rice paper in. The bun cake we call Vietnamese bun
so
xèo.
good.
When you're sizzling, we call the xèo. The cake you call the bun. When you put
Sizzle.
the rice paper in the xèo, the sizzling.
Sizzling bun.
We then go cake the pan. We're using a chopstick on this one. Make sure the bun cake go like this. You see? And then can you turn over?
Oh wow! Good job.
So easy.
Yes. Almost. Let it like
Flip
this.
it.
Using. Hide it.
This is more
Like
easy
this.
for
More
me.
easy. I want to already try because make sure another bun cake when you make it more professional.
You're a pro.
How are you?
Oh my god.
Come on.
Flip it up.
Yeah. Stick to the ceiling. Good job.
Okay, we put the bang around in.
Bean sprouts, yeah.
The bang around very to quickly cook. We turn half like this. Same for the banana leaf. Banana leaf, the water from banana leaf make the rice paper soft.
Wow.
Put the bun cake on the rice paper. Very, very hot. Be careful. Put the lettuce in. Everything, the vegetable. Remember, I want it for you very hot when you rolling your finger, rolling very hot. When you using like this, holding like this, and you deep freeze the fish sauce, easy way. Because then you rolling make you very, very hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Your turn.
Yay.
Good luck to you.
So we made dish 2 now. Bun xèo. And missed the middle of the rice paper roll.
I did by a
But-
mile.
So did I.
Sauce. Look how cool that is.
Ooh, yummy. We mashed it all up in a mortar and pestle.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
Oh wow.
Good.
Oh my god.
Better than last night.
I made that. No.
Good
No,
job.
that was better. Oh, very good.
They were good last night though.
Really tasty.
We're using the onion, carrots, but choy. I like flour, so I make flour.
Oh, I love that.
You see?
Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Try.
We have the shrimp, the palm shrimp. We buy the markets for you. After we cook shrimp, we put the chicken palm and this pepper. Okay, we put 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's in.
That smells good.
The same boat. They don't let the garlic burn. The sizzling like this, you put the shrimp in. And it smells from the garlic.
Beautiful.
Very long. For the cook, we put for the carrot first, onion, and then the white color for the butter. You stir. water. Okay, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon salt.
Also like that, you should eat this for lunch. Otherwise you should put it in like.
That was a really good prep. We did a good job.
Yay! Hey guys, we just finished our cooking
Class?
tour. We just got home from the bus. They dropped us off. Oh my god, I'm so full. I ate way too much.
It was a really, really, really good day. Probably one of the best experiences we've had in our travels.
We highly recommend this one, definitely.
Yeah.
We'll probably link it in the description below as well.
It's really good. The guides were really funny and friendly.
Yeah.
We got to go on the cruise and the little basket boats.
On the basket boats, they gave us these cute little thingies. And I'm wearing one now, if you can see. It's like this little
Necklace.
necklace and some rings.
Yeah, it was a really, really good day. Hope you enjoyed the cooking class as much as we did.
Oh my god, it was amazing.
If you've been on any cooking classes that you liked, let us know in the comments below. Yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye.